Hello there. It's such a nice sunny day outside. I thought I'd been out the morning and thought I'd come back and do a little recording. We thought we'd start with a little teardown of business sales, starting with let's start at the top and work our way out. So let's go Rolls-Royce and see how do they work out a sales process or a sales lead process from their homepage when we've just come in and we're looking to buy. To have a trial. So first things we see is we've got cookie policy, big and clear, and we can continue for our GDPR policies. Down in here, we don't really see a lot middle of the page apart from one particular choice, and we can't go smaller. So there's just one set of things they want us to look at, but we don't want that one. Let's have a look at the models. Let's go for a bit of a smaller model. That's nice. We can see the visuals. We don't need to know those names. Click through plenty of moody visuals. Not really sure where we should go with it, but we've got the moody visuals. Let's see if things load in after that. Bit of Jensen. Career after so much racing. We can skip out of this. Doesn't give us a lot of we can do with trying to get a viewing. There we go. So we've gone one step in, bit of mood, straight into want a test drive for this particular model. It's a bit of details we need for that. Put in our number, some pre-selection, which is helpful. Are we an existing owner? So they know when we're setting up the drive how much they need to get us on board with the new models or the whole brand. And then a little bit about the inquiry. That could be a bit more space, but hey, maybe we're not really interested in telling them about what we're looking for. We just want that drive, and we can talk on the day. They've got their GDPR correct there with the would like to receive communications. As I don't really need a test drive today, we won't go forward with that. Way more about the film than there is about getting into details. It would be nice to be able to get some specs. This is more like I was expecting to have got to in the first place. So big on brand, not a lot on detail. I guess if you've got the money for this, you're not as impressed by everything inside it as just the look and the name and a bit of trust. So much Apple style minimal. Oh look, we've got nothing there. Can we even get to anything? Downloads. Is that going to give us downloads for this? Model brochures. I was wondering why we didn't get that from within the other page. So there's the tech specs. That's what we wanted. Bit disappointed that we couldn't get this off that, but that wasn't too hard to find after that. Clear and simple. We don't get can't get too nerded out on much technical detail. And then I think that's the rest for our things. That's nice and clear. We've got the name. Can request a callback. What do we get with a callback? We get the same as the inquiry. Cool. Well, it's nice and simple. There's a little bit of this stuff is a bit buried, a bit kept simple. We've got the socials and the things down the bottom. Let's see how they're doing. Not too regular. Keep it not doing so much on the social. They've got plenty of followers and tweets, but only every few days. Nothing too crazy, and not really talking back to anyone. No links back in, but plenty of visuals and clean and everything. And then just with the how they're down with the all the kids on Instagram. Yeah, we got lots of video and lots of visuals. Let's see how far they've been going back with this. Just keep going. These are back from a year. Some nice little work there to upload the photos in the right order. Got some attention to detail there with the way, just getting those little aspects, but lining that stuff up, and it looks like they've been really working on that to get the distances pretty good too. So that's nice. Yeah, I'm well in with those little videos and stuff, so must tie in with their advertising TV spots. And let's go to the car of the future. It's looking pretty nice. Might be slightly low profile on those wheel trims though. Okay, well that's great. Thanks for joining us.